Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the important update related to TCS Interview 2026 that students are getting the mail after exams. So first of all, must comment here whether you got the mail or not. So I will talk in detail that what does actually it mean. Okay, so you can say this is the mail student got that we thank you for your interest in TCS career opportunity and for participating in TCS test process conducted recently. So based on your test performance, you are further requested to complete your application form by accessing this, and you have to just basically fill the form. As you know that earlier when you have filled the form, then you have to just basically apply for drive and just register, but now they are sending the mail to fill all those details like the resume, your details and all those stuff. So what does this mean? So friend, 90% chance is there that you have been selected for further consideration. 90% again saying, because until and unless there is official update came, I can't share you, but 90% you can say that you have been selected for further process, and must comment here so that other student will get idea that whether they are getting or not. Okay, so currently from till 20th March जिनका भी exam हो चुका है, they are getting the mail. Okay, so what does this mean? It is a positive symbol, I think, and if any update will came, then I'll provide, but it might be just a simple update related to just you have to basically fill the updated detail, but I think they are doing this just to update the server or to reduce the server load, because they are just allowing only those candidates who have been selected after the exam means to fill all those details. So I think this should be a positive sign, but whenever some official update will come, I will make sure the update this detail in my YouTube channel. So for timing, just subscribe us, and again just comment here whether you got or not. And those who have exam tomorrow must go to our previous coding question series, okay, which we have already completed, and we have already discussed the previous shift coding question too. I have also provided the solutions for all those shifts, so must check that. Okay, and if you have any query, feel free to ask here. You can follow me on LinkedIn, and we regularly post lots of important job update here. Okay, so again saying, if you got the mail, congrats, and this should be a positive sign, I think, because TCS is changing his complete hiring category and hiring scenario. You can see for the first time they are giving the second chance to 2024 and 2025 pass out. So this never happened in the history, so no one can tell you exactly that what actually mean, but it should be positive sign according to the mail, what the thing I can analyze. Okay, so this is the whole update. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. And related to cutoff, I have already made video that if your apti went well, means around 50 to 60%, then this is a positive symbol, and if your coding questions also you have passed, then there is a strong chance of getting selected. So that's all thing I want to tell. And those who have exam further, just go with the documents there mentions in the admit card. So just best of luck who have further exam. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.